Hello and welcome to my Ambrosus DAPP pitch. My name is Teja. I'm a supply chain / operations analyst working for a Fortune 500 company and I'm based in India. My idea is to make sure clean water is accessible to all people on this planet using blockchain technology. To give you an overview, we start off by looking at the industrial context, the problem we are trying to attack, the DAPP solution as well as the crypto economics, and the conclusion. A recent American survey of the best bottled water brands in the States showed this. 9 out of 10 brands never disclosed any sort of information about the source of water, whether contamination testing is being done or not, or how the water is getting purified. 50% of the manufacturers miserably flunked the EWG's transparency test, and 18% of the manufacturers never disclosed the location of their water source. And sadly, half of all the bottled water you get in the States is, after all, municipal tap water. The effects of drinking contaminated water is well known. People suffer with diseases like cholera, typhoid, dysentery and diarrhea, and is directly proportional to the amount of contamination in the water. 20% of all the diseases in India is due to impure water, and 6.8% of the nation's GDP along with millions of man hours is being lost. Therefore, we can clearly see the problem in this industry. There is no transparency and trust between the manufacturers and the consumers. Blockchain technology is very pivotal in reducing the frictions between the various parties in the supply chain, and therefore has poised itself to disrupt this multi-billion-dollar industry. The DAPP is all about providing Ambrosus blockchain as service to the manufacturing industry. There are 3 layers to the DAPP: the Pure Water Alliance, the information layer, and the consumer layer. The Pure Water Alliance is all about scouting new water bottle manufacturers, conducting pilot projects with them, and potentially exploring new markets. The next layer is information layer. By this point of time, water manufacturers have entered into partnership with the Ambrosus blockchain. Key water parameters such as pH value, turbidity, alkalinity, minerals are entered into the blockchain. These values are very vital in order to determine whether water is pure or not. Manufacturers also add low-cost RFID tags for anti-counterfeiting. All this is done automatically by using IoT sensors, which seamlessly add vital information to the blockchain. The last and final layer will be the consumer layer. Consumers scan the barcode on the water bottles on a sleek mobile app. The app then queries the Ambrosus blockchain to get instant information about various parameters such as pH levels, microbial activity, data production and origin, etc. This information is vital in determining whether the water is fit for drinking or not. At this point, we'll see that there will be 3 types of customers. One is the regular consumers. Second is the government agencies who use this information to give certification to the suppliers. And thirdly, the local retailers. A brief working overview of the project. So the IoT sensors gather vital information about the water and continuously feed the information to the blockchain. The information is stored along with the barcode and the water package. A slick mobile app is developed at the consumer end so that the consumer can scan the barcode to get the information about the package. And last but not least, fraudulent suppliers can easily be traced because the blockchain provides a permanent immutable data. The DAPP economics is simple and easy to understand. We enter the market in blockchain as service category. Packaged water suppliers buy Amber tokens to get Ambrosus blockchain services, and the number of tokens that they should buy will depend upon the different slab rates and plant capacity. For example, a supplier with capacity of 1 million to 5 million liters would require to buy 10,000 Ambrosus, whereas 20 to 50,000 liters would require, let's just say, 1,000 Ambrosus. Or we can charge a service fee for one time during project confirmation with the water suppliers. Mostly larger cans will use RFID technology for anti-counterfeiting, and hence pricing will differ. Making sure that Pure Water Alliance will continuously add suppliers for partner generation is also important. In conclusion, I'll say that this DApp is poised to disrupt the global bottled water market, which will reach 280 billion USD by 2020. This DApp's idea aligns with the WHO's goal that to ensure pure water and sanitation for all, and can potentially provide pure water to millions of people in developing countries where governments have failed miserably. Thank you.